Guys, good morning, and it's third day of my vlogging and I'm really happy, guys. I just love vlogging, to be honest. I'm so glad that you guys also like to watch my vlogs. धेरै मान्छेले मेरो vlogsहरु watch गर्दैन, तर I really like and appreciate when people comment and encourage you to vlog more. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just enjoying what I like at the moment, which is vlogging. So thank you so much. एकजनाले भने पनि हेर्दिनु भयो भने पनि मलाई एकदमै खुसी लाग्छ. So please make sure to share or like or comment if you enjoy my vlogs. I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much once again. So today I'm eating, guess what, tomato omelette, but today I made it a little bit scrambled and I know it's gonna taste amazing. And I'm also eating butter toast today. Yummy breakfast. Here I go. Here's my breakfast, guys. It looks a little bit poopy, but I know it's gonna taste delicious. It's 8:23 right now and I uploaded my video yesterday before going to bed. So yeah, it's shared successfully. I just need to change the title. Oh, I forgot, I have to change the thumbnail. Sorry guys. So I've already made the thumbnail. Oh, it's here. So I've already prepared everything and uploaded the video yesterday night. So when I wake up, it's ready for you guys. Here we go. I'm gonna make it public now. Okay, public. So now you can go ahead and watch this video. So these are my new glasses, guys. I got this when I was in Nepal. I went to do the eye test and they recommended me to use these glasses. Obviously my right eye, you guys know that if you watch my vlogs from long time ago, I have problems with my right eye. It's totally blurred. I cannot see a thing from here. So this glass is basically for my left eye. And yeah, I really like the glasses, to be honest. I don't use it all the time. I use it while editing the video or watching the TV, you know. That's what I use this for. And what I like about this glass is it doesn't have any frame in the bottom. When you are new and you are wearing glasses, it really bothers you when you have these black frame and it gets into your way. I'm quite happy with these glasses, and sometimes I think I should get a new one without the border, you know, this black border as well. So it's just like plain glasses, no borders. So that's what I'm planning to get, but right now it's going good. Right now I'm also watching Nepalese song. I love watching, you know, and listening to Nepalese music these days. Nepalese music is so good at the moment, and I like Priyanka as well. I think this guy is called Aryan Shikdale or something like that. I used to be a big fan of this guy and I watched almost all of his videos, but right now no. By the way, I watched focus, yeah, I watched Rudrapriya yesterday, and this guy was the main actor. The movie was really good. I really liked it, but I didn't like the ending when I don't want to, you know, tell everything about the movie. I didn't like little bits of the movie, which I think most of you guys also won't like, but go ahead and watch. It's a good movie. The actress is Rekha Thapa and she's wearing so beautiful dresses, and oh my god, it is so beautiful. I would totally wear what she's wearing in the movie. Okay guys, so now I'm going to try the gel nails. I got these few days ago from Superdrug and I got this one on deal, buy one get one half price. So I got a pink color gel nail polish and a top coat. Today I'm going to try this and I will show you the demo. So it's kind of like a demo review for you guys, and I will film everything from start to finish finished. I hope you guys will enjoy, and if it's good, you guys can go ahead and purchase this from Superdrug as well. A very special thing about this gel nail polish is that you don't need a UV curing light for this. It dries naturally in natural light. So let's see how it works, if it's a yay or nay. So let's go. Sorry guys, I forgot to film how to apply the gel coat, but you guys know how to apply the gel coat. It's so simple, just apply it one coat and that's about it. Okay guys, I finished doing my nails and I'm so sorry nails are out of focus, but I tried my best. And while applying the gel nail polish, these are really easy to apply. It's less thicker than your normal gel polish and I really like it guys. I'm now leaving it to air dry. It looks so nice. I love it. My nails are really short guys and I highly recommend you guys to have long nails, otherwise it will look something like this. But I really like the idea of this gel nail polish with no light. It is a lot easier to apply and it is less hassle, less messy, which I really like. And I decided not to put any rhinestones on my nails. It's so cute. I really like the color as well. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I love you all.